Here is a complete top 10 toys for children's brain and mental development. Say no to screens, say yes to growth. Today, we present the top 10 toys that boost brain power, mental health, and overall growth, and why they matter more than ever. Number 10. Shape Sorter Toys. Simple, timeless, and incredibly effective. Shape sorters improve hand-eye coordination, spatial reasoning, and early problem-solving skills. They teach patience and boost fine motor development, all while your child thinks they are just playing. No screen can replicate that tactile intelligence. Number 9. Stacking rings and nesting cups. These colorful classics enhance logic, sequencing, and color recognition. They support early math concepts like size comparison, order, and balance. This kind of hands-on learning creates foundational brain connections that screen time just can't provide. Number 8. Building blocks. Blocks are more than toys. They are imagination tools. They develop creativity, planning skills, and structural thinking. Studies show block play improves mathematical abilities and even early reading skills. Let them build the future block by block. Number 7. Puzzle sets. Puzzles sharpen focus, memory, and logical reasoning. They also reduce anxiety and improve mood, giving your child both mental stimulation and emotional regulation. Every completed puzzle is a mini victory for the brain. Number 6. Arts and crafts. Crayons, glue, scissors, paper. Simple tools that unleash boundless creativity. Art improves fine motor skills, self-expressions, and emotional release. It even strengthens neural pathways between both sides of the brain. No screen allows your child. Number 5. STEM kits. That is science, technology, engineering, maths. STEM kits make learning fun. Whether it's building a robot or experimenting with magnets, these toys teach curiosity, problem solving, and perseverance. Number 4. Board games. Board games encourage strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, and social interactions. Children learn about that. Number 3. Montessori Toys. Designed for real-world learning, Montessori Toys focus on independence, concentration, and sensory development. Number 2. Musical instruments. Music activates both hemispheres of the brain. Early musical play improves memory, auditory processing, and emotional well-being. It also builds confidence and coordination. Give them music, not mindless media. And finally, number 1. Outdoor toys. From balls to bicycles, outdoor toys or games encourage movement, coordination, and sensory exploration. Physical play improves mood, sleep, and focus, directly tied to healthy brain function and emotional regulation. Nature is the best app your child will ever use. So, dear friends, your child's mind is a garden. Will you feed it with pixels or possibilities? Choose toys that spark joy, thought, creativity, and connections. Say yes to real play and no to screen addiction. Invest in toys that invest in their future.